Hi guys, this is Carl. Here's another small tutorials in order to show you how to copy and paste and create entities with Notepad++. You can do the same with the standard Windows Notepad. Why would you like to do so? Well, sometimes you're offline, you don't have any Wi-Fi, or you just want to disconnect from Facebook and Twitter and all the social media and just work on your Dialogflow entities. So I created this entity which is called soft drink offered. Obviously, that would be for a restaurant-oriented agent. So I'm just gonna go here in Notepad++. This is a Android version because I have a Chromebook. So you just need to make the first thing is to have double quote. Then let's say we're gonna have bark, which is a soda, important. Then you need to write the same thing over again, and then you can add some synonyms. So one would be bark with capital letter, and then important, there's the end of the line, no comma. When you're finished with synonyms, let's go with Coca-Cola. Then I'm gonna do the same, Coca-Cola. But some people could refer to only cola, right? Or they could say Coca-Cola without this sign here. And we can go on and say Diet Coke. Then Diet Coke, Diet. Then could be Coca-Cola Diet, and so on. And then you just basically copy, paste that into you go into the raw mode, which is right here. Then you copy paste everything. Let's see if I made a mistake. You switch back to the editor mode. And here you have bark, the synonym, Coca-Cola with all the synonyms, Diet Coke, everything. So this is just a small trick. You can expand, of course, with other sort of sodas and small soft drinks. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to create a lot of material for you guys in the next couple of weeks in order to be able to use Dialogflow more easily. So please subscribe to my channel and or ask to join us on Dialogflow community on Facebook. And I hope to talk to you soon. If you have any question, don't hesitate under the YouTube video to put your question and everything. I hope you have a nice day or a nice evening. So that was it for today. Thank you guys.